Hello, music enthusiasts. Have you ever dreamed of singing like your favorite artists? Well, today is your lucky day. Because we are going to share some tips and tricks on how to sing like a pro. Tip number 1. Warm up your voice. Before you sing, it's crucial to warm up your voice. Start with gentle hums, sirens, and lip trills. This helps prevent strain and ensures your vocal cords are ready for action. Tip number 2. Breathing techniques. Proper breathing is the foundation of great singing. Practice diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale deeply using your diaphragm, not shallow chest breaths. This gives you better control and power. Tip number 3. Vocal range exercises. Expand your vocal range with exercises. Work on both low and high notes to increase flexibility. Gradually, you'll reach notes you never thought possible. Tip number 4. Daily practice. Consistency is key. Dedicate time daily to practice scales, songs, and vocal drills. Regular practice strengthens your voice and builds muscle memory. Tip number 5. Record yourself. Recording yourself allows for self-assessment. Listen critically to identify areas for improvement. It's a powerful tool to track your progress. Tip number 6. Take care of your vocal health. Maintain vocal health by staying hydrated, avoiding excessive caffeine and alcohol, and resting your voice when needed. A healthy lifestyle supports your singing. There you have it, tips and tricks to sing like a professional. Remember, practice and patience are your best friends on this journey. Keep honing your skills. And who knows, you might be the next singing sensation. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow aspiring singers. Don't forget to subscribe for more music-related content. Until next time, keep hitting those high notes.